Hello everybody, welcome once again to my channel where we learn how to make soap and other cosmetics. Okay, today we'll be putting on this laundry soap and I'll be working with the PKO, and then that is what I'll be using. In this laundry soap I'll be adding silicates. Okay, and this is my fragrance to use. Okay, and this is a caustic soda. So I will just be using this. This is the color I'll be using. I'll be using green color and the blue color. So I want to make two different colors, and I'll be using this as my mold, and even this bottle waste as my mold. Okay, just for the purpose of learning. Okay, what is the first thing I'm going to do? I'll be adding my caustic soda to the water. It's advisable to add caustic soda into water and not vice versa. So keep mixing it until it is well dissolved. As much as possible, avoid it splashing on your skin because caustic is corrosive, very harsh on the body. So I keep mixing it until it is well dissolved, so that the soap can come out well. Okay, we know the major ingredient needed for soap making, specifically laundry soap, is the caustic soda, the oil, and the water. Every other one is additive. So the silicate I'm going to add to it will really help my soap to have shiny look and also to strengthen it. Okay, I haven't mixed the caustic soda for some time. We leave it because it's warm, and so we can't use it immediately like that. It's left for some time to cool. So while we're waiting for it to cool, I add my silicate into the oil, and then I mix it thoroughly while we're still waiting for the caustic soda to cool down. Please don't forget to join my online classes. The number is written on the screen. We also operate online classes. Visit me and we enjoy being there. Okay, so we mix it and then leave it for some time. We allow the caustic soda to cool. Okay, the caustic soda is cooled enough, and so we are going to pour the caustic solution into the oil. Okay, pour the caustic soda into the oil. The recipe I use is written on the screen. Okay, you mix it for some time and make sure it is well integrated. Make sure the soda and the oil is well mixed so that there won't be separation. When you join my online classes, I'll be telling us how we can use different kind of oil to make soap and to be able to make profit. Okay, remember I want to use two colors, so I haven't mixed my caustic soda with the oil. I divided it into two so that I can have the separate colors I want. Okay, I'll be using the first one, which is the blue color. Can you see? Be mindful of the color you put. For this one, the color is a bit much for that quantity. Okay, so you have to be very careful so that the color doesn't stain the fabric. Mix it thoroughly, and then I'll be adding the fragrance how you want it to stay. All these are just to make your soap sell and smell nice. So you mix it thoroughly. Then I haven't mixed it. Make sure it's well mixed. Don't forget to join my online class. Okay, add me on this number and then we will meet and talk. Okay, so still mixing the color with the caustic soda. Okay, at this stage it's called butter. Okay, and then as much as possible avoid thick trace, so it will come out beautifully. Okay, and so the next one, the remaining batter, I'll be adding this color, which is the green color. You can see it. So the color you want, you can make as many colorful bar soap as you want. Okay, as many as you want. So I turn into a bigger bowl so that it will be convenient for me. You can see it. It's coming out to be like lemon color, coming out beautifully. Okay, and so I haven't mixed it thoroughly. I will also pour it into the mold. Okay, you can see it has not yet formed thick trace, so it's easier to pour. But if it forms thick trace, it will be difficult to pour into your mold. So you can just use your stick to smoothen it, or you can use any other thing to just level the batter so much very well in your mold, so that the edge is very neat. Yes, just use that. You can use the stick, use something flat,